What's going on, family? Look at all of the sprouted seedlings, sunflower seedlings coming up out of this dirt, out of this potting mix. Potting mix. Probably moving the camera too fast as usual. Look at all of them. It is hot out here in sunny California, Southern California today. It feels like 100 degrees on my back. I got to go in here and get my hat. I don't know why I forgot. Look at the sunflower seeds. Look just like pollen seeds. Right there. Look at them. Beautiful. I don't see nothing on the border yet. Those little seeds I shared with you guys in that box, all American flower seeds. I don't see that doing nothing yet. Maybe right there. That one right there if I'm above it. Anyway, hopefully something will happen. Checking out my little succulents down there. Ooh, look at this one. Look at all the new growth on this succulent. Something great is happening right there. Can you see? Something great is happening. Look at my elephant plant new leaves. Well, I might well share. Let me see. That torch plant down there. I don't know if y'all can see it because I'm all in the sun shade. I don't know. Down there, it's sucking up. It is a succulent. I thought it was a cacti, but that's oh, I just knocked my little plant over and stuff, leaning on it like it was a damn stool. I just knocked all the dirt out of my cinnamon basil. Hold on. Oh, James. Oh, my God. You guys, I hope y'all didn't hear unnecessary noise, but this is what I want to share. This is my hands and chicken succulent plant I got. See it? I can't wait for it to get bigger and I'm going to propagate it. Hope you guys can see. It is hot out here today. It is so hot. This plant is still, this little stick plant still hanging on. My rosette. Oh, let's go over this way. That is a creeping Charlie. I believe it's trying to creep because it's a little length on it now. Look at my poor basil plant. See it? That's a piece of stick with some green little baby miniature leaves on it. And here go my oregano pot I moved over here. And the mint is going crazy. My polka dot plant is still holding on. It's amazing. I know I'm going really fast. That one died. That one's holding on. That one's holding on. Remember I did the propagation, these little cups of the mint and some, what was it? Oregano. I don't even know where my... Oh, wait. See down here? This was the oregano. I don't know what I didn't do right, but it didn't make it on that one. But anyway, it's okay. I'll just do it again. Here go my little succulent companions all together, little plants just loving each other together. Look at the new little life coming on this jade plant. Hope y'all can see it. So much light out here. Alright, I guess I'm done for today. Be back.